We're gonna now learn how to do fast starts.
Cool.
Which just mean that you have to press the gas and the clutch at the same time.
And is that the whole thing about like biting point?
So not a biting point, that's for a hill start.
Right, okay.
When you lift the clutch up and there's no gas on, the car's at minimum power.
Right.
So you set off with minimum power.
Got it.
Slowly.
Yeah.
If you press the gas first,
Yep.
then you've got more than minimum power. You set off with more than minimum power.
Got it.
Which lets you set off faster.
Cool, okay.
It's not hard, but you have to do like that at the same time.
Right.
We'll make them one after the other.
Cool, okay.
But then you'll be able to set off
Faster.
in a rush like you wanted to there.
Nice, okay, cool.
So we'll just do it like this road's really dead, like nothing's coming.
Cool.
So we'll just go, stop, go and stop and go and stop.
Okay, cool.
A few times.
Nice.
If something comes down the road towards us, then we'll panic.
Cool.
Or we'll find a space at the side to pull in, let them pass.
Nice.
Or they'll do that too.
Okay, cool.
And then we'll chill.
Nice. Sounds good.
Or I'll actually fulfill my promise. And when I say I won't help you, I will actually not help you.
Okay, right.
Yeah, I'm actually so bad at that. That's one thing I know as a teacher that I need to work on. I'll be like, oh, I won't help you with this. Oh, by the way,
yeah, by the way, here's the acronym that you actually really, yeah.
So let's switch back on.
Right.
Cool, and we'll go first gear.
Am I being...
Cool, why is that not working?
Because my foot's not on the clutch.
Ah, yes.
God, classic.
Cool, keep it down.
Yep.
Prepared.
Prepared.
Next.
Observe.
Yes, go for it.
So I'm checking, and there's nothing coming. It's nice and quiet.
Awesome. Then?
Signal.
Perfect. And so what we want to do here is we want to set off with the same amount of gas that you would normally use to accelerate. So keep the clutch down. We won't go anywhere because the clutch is down.
Yeah.
Press the accelerator pedal.
Yep.
Just the normal amount that you use to set off. And keep it there.
Right.
That's it. That noise is what we're listening for.
Yeah. And we like that noise.
We like
is
that
okay.
noise.
Okay, cool.
Check over your shoulder again. Keep the gas on and handbrake off. Keep the gas on. A bit more. Let's hear it. Yes. Clutch comes up as normal, but there's just gas on as well. Keep the gas on. Press it, press it, press it. Keep the clutch coming. Feel how much more power that had?
Yeah.
Cool.
Okay.
And when you're in a straight line, stop, clutch, and handbrake. Cool, we're gonna do the same thing. Press the gas, lift the clutch.
Woo!
Nice, quick start.
Yeah.
So the more gas you press, the faster you can lift the clutch.
Got it.
And the faster you'll set off.
Nice.
You wanna do that again?
Yeah, let's
Go
do it
for
again.
it.
Oh.
Let's let him pass.
Has he got enough space?
Oh, he's gonna just wait for us. Cool.
Let's go. That's nice.
We're not in a rush.
Ooh, just stall.
That's cool. Clutch down, switch on and off. So you lifted the clutch up quite fast, but there was not enough gas to compensate for that.
Okay.
So more gas, and don't rush the clutch. More gas, yes. Nice.
Ooh, there we go.
Cheers, bro.
Thank you. Very kind.
Once we're around this bend, then try a couple more times.
Yeah. Nice.
Perfect. Stop there. The trick is to not be scared of the gas.
Yeah.
Whack on way too much gas, making the noise go crazy. Yeah, and keep it there, keep it there. Then lift the clutch as normal. Look how much run up we've got. If we go too fast, that'll be fine. Keep the gas, loads of gas. Actually, we didn't set off too fast.
Yeah, okay.
Clutch down and brake there.
So don't be scared of the gas.
Don't be scared of the gas. Have loads of gas. The control on how fast you set off is in your left foot.
Right.
The faster you lift the clutch, the faster you set off.
Yeah,
If you've got loads of gas and your car sounds like Lewis Hamilton's Ferrari, then as long as you're controlling it with the left foot, you won't set off too fast. Let's have too much gas again, but beware of the cyclist. Way too much gas and lift the car, clutch purposely, slowly. Okay, that was quite quick. Try again.
Yeah.
Purposefully,
slowly.
Really
Got it.
slowly.
Right, okay. Should I try and let this man pass?
Loads of gas.
Okay.
Slow clutch. That was still super controlled.
Okay,
yeah. So don't be scared of the gas.
Got it.
Just be watching what you're doing with your left foot. Turning right.
Turning right.
And I won't be helping you.
Okay.
Trying.
Fingers crossed.
Anything coming?
Nope.
Oh shit, see already?
I mean, there is now, but I got here first.
Cool. Happy days. Feel free to ask me questions, but other than that, I'm just going to give you directions.
Okey-dokey. Yeah, directions are good.
At the end of the road,
Yep.
let's go right.
Okie dokie. And so like there's this little bit here with, I know the gate is shut, but it's better to indicate after, isn't it? If there's somewhere you can turn.
Yeah, nice, I like that.
Okay.
Make it less confusing.
Yeah. Okie dokie. Okay. There actually isn't anything coming, so I'm gonna go. That felt good.
That's good.
Nice.
She's bloody driving.
We.
Oh, does it feel good? Does it feel good to be back
Yeah,
in the car?
it feels. Yeah, and
After
I was.
so long.
I was a bit apprehensive.
Were
That's
you?
the right word. Yeah, I think just because I was like, oh, 6 years is quite a long time.
Oh, yeah.
And I think I was just, I don't know, I think I was a bit worried I was going to be rubbish, but actually.
Oh, that's the point, though. If you
Yeah.
weren't rubbish, you don't need me.
Yeah, exactly.
If you can drive already, what are you doing here?
Exactly. Fair enough.
I think that's a lot of people's barriers to start learning to drive.
Yeah.
Like, nobody in life wants to be bad at something or
No.
fail at something.
No, exactly.
But with driving or with anything that you start new, you have to be bad at it
Yeah.
to get good at it.
Exactly. And it's obviously such an important skill to have, so.
All right, Megs, we're going to go left on the mini roundabout.
Woo! Okie dokie. Looking pretty sweet. No cyclists or buses. And we're going left. I can't see anything coming from the right.
Sure.
Oh, there is a person.
Nice. Think about your pull away. That's the only help I'm going to give you. Go again.
Yeah, I need to be not scared of the gas.
Okay, just going down to the next mini roundabout.
Yep.
And turning left.
Left, got it. Okie dokie. What strange little motorbikes today. Okay. Ooh,
Good choice.
that's all right. Whee!
That was good.
That was all right.
That was good, yeah. I think maybe you just chose to stop a little bit late,
Okay.
which would be helped if you went through the checklist, like in your head or out loud, mirror,
Yeah.
signal, position, speed, look for anything coming.
Yep.
The look bit would prompt you to check.
Got it.
Can't believe you're bloody driving. Can't believe you're driving. I can't believe it. This is definitely going better than you thought it was going to go, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. If you thought you were going to be bad, then this is
This
going
is not-
very well.
okay,
This is
good.
not bad.
Okay, that is good.
This is somebody who hasn't driven for a long time, just driving casually around Tooting.
Okay, good.
All right, tell you what, not this one, next left.
Okie dokie.
Over to you.
Right, we're looking. We're gonna signal now.
Awesome.
We're gonna bring the speed down a little bit.
Yes.
Up gear, I can't see anything. So I'm just gonna go.
Awesome. One tip would be to just, once you've changed gear,
Yep.
lift the clutch straight up again.
Okay.
Not quickly, but lift it straight up.
Yep.
So try that now. Go into second, speed up.
Yep.
We're going to go left at the next one, so speed
Cool.
up a little bit more.
Yep.
Signal, position, speed, go into first gear, lift the clutch up,
Oh, sorry.
clutch up slowly, and the car will slow you down, and it won't let you stop. Then you
Right.
will never stall because the clutch is up and you're not
Okie
braking.
dokie.
Over to you, let's deal with this.
We're going left, aren't we?
Yep.
Cool.
Sick. Let's stop on the left.
Just do.
Yeah. Turn more. Nice.
And then I do clutch down, and I brake, and then I'm going to do the
Keep them.
handbrake, and I'm going to go neutral, and then I'm going to take my foot off the clutch.
Awesome, that was amazing.
Sick.
Yeah.
Cool, thank you.
Drove around. I didn't help. I tried really hard not to help. So, junctions, turning left and right, absolutely fine.
Cool.
We're learning and putting in more skills
Yep.
the whole time we're driving.
Yeah.
And that's just going to be a theme that keeps on going. You can't be perfect after one lesson.
No.
You're going to find things that, oh yeah, I can make that better. Like lift the clutch up straight away. Oh yeah, I can make that better. And it makes a 1% improvement.
Yeah.
We just keep putting in those 1% until you get to your driving test.
Sick.
Nothing has to be perfect. Nothing has to be, I made one mistake there. That was too many.
Never drive again.
No, nothing has to be like that. It's always going to be, I can make that a tiny bit better.
Yeah.
Who's the most skilled person that you know? Bruce Lee. Don't know why I thought of him first. He can definitely improve on something.
Yeah.
In his, is he dead? Don't know.
Oh, is he the bald one from Fast and Furious?
No, Bruce Lee, the martial arts guy that was in all the films. Or I'm thinking of Jackie Chan.
think he's dead.
Both of them. Bruce Lee or Jackie Chan.
Right.
Random
Both
examples.
of them.
Anyway, the
Who are
point
probably
is
sick at driving.
both of them can make 1% incremental changes to be better at whatever they're doing.
Yeah.
And that's the same for you.
Okay, cool. Yeah.
Yeah, there's
Nice.
nothing wrong with making mistakes as long as we're ready to make them better
Cool.
and learn from them.
Nice.
That was sick. Megs.
Nice.
We actually got through a lot
I'm
there.
glad.
I
Yeah.
wasn't prepared to do roundabouts.
Were you not?
No, I was
Okay.
thinking we're going to have to go around these roads for a long time.
Yeah.
Then stop, make it a whole new thing to go then prepare, do some
do a
roundabouts.
roundabout. Yeah.
But we just kind of mashed them into the whole
Cool.
whole thing. And we did the busy roads too.
Yeah.
We can get busier, for sure.
can
But
get
that
busier.
was pretty busy. There were
More
buses, there were
buses,
zebra
yeah.
crossings we had to stop for.
Yeah.
That was sick.
Yeah.
Do you
Cool.
feel like you could go and, because you're going to practice with your mum as well,
Yeah,
right?
hopefully.
Do you feel like you could go and find some quiet back roads with your mum and practice this
Yeah.
as well and build on it?
I hope so, yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Did
Should
your
be
mum,
fine.
Did your mum say that she's going to help you drive?
Well, she's
doesn't know.
helped Annie and Jamie.
Yeah.
So she's always does everything fairly. So I feel like I just,
It's a thing, she just doesn't know it's a thing yet.
No, exactly.
Okay.
And when I rock up with the door with a thing of tulips,
Wicked.
she's not going to be able to say no. So that's,
Okay,
that's
awesome.
the plan.
Thank you, Megs. That was super fun. Boom, put it there.
Thank you. Cool.
See you in the next one. Peace, bye.